So I'm in pharmacy. I'm waiting for my turn. Que beleza. Can I be your girl? So here, pasta rigatoni con i gamberetti. So guys, I'm here to buy our shampoo. So guys, don't mind my hair because I'm wearing cap, so I just remove it. So I'm in my doctor's place because I'm here to have to write for like doctor's report because I wanted to start losing weight. I wanted to start for palestra. So they asked me my doctor's report. So that's why I'm here. You know, even today I went to Sukapi to change. You know, I changed doctor. Our former doctor went to pension. So we have to change another. So today I went to CAP to do all these things. Even my own children, so my husband have done his own, AJ's own, because AJ is now 14, so she will start using our own doctor. So that is it, I'm here. so that maybe next week I will start. Because this summer, I'm gonna rock this summer. So I'm gonna lose weight. Summer. So I'm waiting for my time. So guys, here they don't have that book for baby Alex. The one I'm looking for, they don't have it. For example, this one, they don't have it. So I have to come back next week. You arrive here. So that's it. So guys, that is it. So next week you arrive. The book I'm looking for baby Alex. So right now I'm going to pharmacy, to go and take an appointment for my exam. Or they say that I can even do it in pharmacy. So maybe let me reach there and know what they will say. So that is this is our commune, our church. So we are getting ready for carnival. On Sunday is our carnival. But if rain fall, probably if rain will fall on Sunday, because they will be checking it, they will cancel it. So that is it. So on Sunday is our carnival. Tomorrow I will go and look for costume for baby Alex. Only baby Alex will be vest. So I'm in pharmacy. I'm waiting for my turn. Que beleza. Can I be your girl? So guys, I'm in the coop. First of all, let me take egg. Guys, for carnival. Guys, I'm done. I'm here in pizzeria. So come and join me. Some margherita, pizza, salsicha. So guys, I'm in pharmacy. I'm here to do the exam. Guys, the result is ready. So on Monday, I'll be taking it to my doctor. So let's go.